Animal Masks, written by Young Learners Curriculum for Level A2. Lily, Diane, and Paul are sitting together at the big table. They see colorful paper, bright markers, and long wooden sticks. "We should make animal masks," Diane suggests with a big smile. Everyone feels excited and ready to begin their project. Lily carefully draws a large happy lion face on her paper. Diane creates a cute brown bear mask with round ears. Paul decides to make a cheetah mask with lots of black spots. They laugh together and share ideas about their favorite animals. The children color their masks using bright, bold markers. Lily chooses yellow and red for her lion to look strong. Diane colors her bear mask all brown to look real. Paul adds many black spots to finish his cheetah mask. Lily holds her lion mask proudly with a long stick. Diane smiles and shows her bear mask to her friends. Paul lifts his cheetah mask, which also has funny bear ears. They all feel happy and excited to pretend to be wild animals. The friends walk together into the green forest behind their house. They notice a narrow path that goes between the trees. "Oh no," Diane whispers. "I think I hear something moving." They stand very still and listen carefully to the strange sound. "Roar!" shouts Lily, trying to be as brave as a real lion. Paul quickly runs forward to see what is making the noise. Diane looks down and discovers a little kitten hiding in the grass. They all smile and play with the kitten for the rest of the day.